It's crazy to think that this was all just a drawing, and now this week we are doing the final touches for this project: painting, installing the countertop, and installing a floating shelf. We're doing a concrete countertop, so here I'm making a mold to pour the concrete in. I wanted to add a personal touch, so I 3D printed a stamp of our logo to press onto the countertop. And just when I thought I was done, the whole thing cracked in half. But it's alright, we'll just do it again. At this point, I know that the end is near, but it seems so far away. It's crazy to think that this was all just a drawing, and now it's this.